myself Gunjan Garg. I come from Nagpur in attending digital marketing training. It is very good and helpful for BSNL and personal experience. It also recognize it is just digital marketing uses availability and the marketing trend as we compare with other traditional views and digital views and digital media. It is preferable for digital for BSNL also, as our environmental scenario is differently changing rapidly, so we also have to use digital media, and for this purpose this training is very useful, as all the aspect of marketing mix for marketing products and marketing aspects and advertisement aspects about the Facebook, YouTube and other aspects of digital marketing, or we can say the YouTube or other medias, SMS, email marketing, and all the aspects of digital marketing we know about in this digital marketing training, and we prepare our mind for going through the digital marketing for BSNL campaign. And in future it may be that we will start digital marketing in very huge amount, because in India trend, as figure says, digital marketing is rapidly growing, so we also have to grow in the digital marketing and reduce our financial aspects in traditional marketing, and it will be very helpful for BSNL. Thank you.